If you are pulled over by police or even by immigration while you're just driving down the road or going here in Arizona through the California checkpoint, and someone asks you, if a police officer or someone else asks you what your immigration status is, you can say that I choose not to answer, I choose to remain silent. You are not required to state whether you are a citizen of the United States. This applies to citizens too. So if you are someone who is perceived to be an immigrant, you do not have to answer that you are a citizen. It is your right to remain silent. So usually if you're a citizen, you're not going to have a problem answering that you're an American citizen. However, if you're undocumented in the country and someone's asking you for your license, your registration, and things like that, and you don't have it, you can say, I do not have those things. However, as soon as someone asks you, what is your immigration status? Where are you from? Are you here legally or illegally? What is your status? You can say, I would like to remain silent. I would like to remain silent and talk to my lawyer, because you do not have to answer that question. It is your right to remain silent, because what's going to happen if you answer this question, number one, never lie, never say that you're a US citizen, never provide fake paperwork, because these can be crimes, particularly the second one where you provide fake identity documents. You're trying to defraud a government agent. This can be very problematic. So do not do that. But by contrast, if you say, I choose to remain silent, I would like to remain silent, I would like to speak with my lawyer, they will either have to let you go or they will have to allow you to have access to your lawyer. But if you simply answer that, yeah, I am not here with permission, I'm illegally here, I crossed the border on such and such date without permission, those are going to be statements that are used against you. They could put you into federal prison for unlawful reentry. You could spend up to 20 years in federal prison for unlawful reentry, and a whole host of other things that if you talk to a lawyer first, you may be able to, they may just release you. They may say, okay, this person knows their rights, and they may just release you. But in the end, it's really going to protect you. Even if the officer pressures you and says, look, if you just answer my question, I'll let you go. That's a trick. They're not really going to do that. They're just wanting you to say that you're here illegally so they can take you into custody. So what you need to do is say, I want to remain silent. That's what my advice is I choose to remain silent. I want to remain silent, and I want to call my attorney. And you can contact me if you want me to be your attorney at New Frontier Immigration Law. You have rights in this country, even if you don't have status here. Those are provided to every single person, and one of those is the right to remain silent.